from the get-go, so no things finally go my way. You still living in your headspace, never gonna come on out. I'm still wishing I could find space, some trees, a lot of words to carry out. You still hurt, if they're falling apart. Lift me up, get me back to the start. In the mid-scene, midstream, think I'll have the other way. It's been hard, if they're falling apart. Lift me up, get me back to the start. Get me back to the start.
Starting with a little off the top from the corner store. The funny thing about a little is you always want more. I stole a nickel in my pocket and I'm gonna go far. Now I'm robbing the graves in my own backyard. I am a thief and a liar of the very worst kind. Oh, I sell to the broken and I rob them blind. I will build you a house with my own two hands, and then burn it to the ground as quick as I can. As quick as I can. As quick as I can. I have to lie to go to bed and lie to wake up. To forget the voices of the dead, you gotta play tough. I am suits and ties and cocaine crazy within, and I will look you in the eyes when I do you in. I am suits and ties and cocaine crazy within, and I will look you in the eyes when I do you in. I am a thief and a liar of the very worst kind. Oh, I sell to the broken and I rob them blind. I will build you a house with my own two hands, and then burn it to the ground as quick as I can. As quick as I can. As quick as I can. Gonna wake up and see Power is your finger on the trigger, not a head full of dreams. Yeah, when's the 99% gonna wake up and see? Power is your finger on the trigger, not a head full of dreams. I am a thief and a liar of the very worst kind. Oh, I sell to the broken and I rob them blind. I will build you a house with my own two hands, and then burn it to the ground as quick as I can. As quick as I can. As quick as I can. As quick as I can.
You keep making me feel like I'm the odd one out, like it's a cool kids club. Symmetry's the only thing allowed, and you're making up rules that only cater to you. You're saying the words that only mean something to you. But I don't wanna get caught up in this, so I keep telling myself there's nothing you can do.